Well, hello, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Doug. This is the Star Trek Communicator garage door opener. What could be cooler? Well, hello, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Doug, and if you've watched this channel much at all, you probably know that I like tools. I like repairing and fixing things around the house. I like computers and technology, and I like science fiction, in particularly Star Trek. And as it turns out, I needed a new garage door opener, and rather than just buy one of the old standard garage door opener replacements, I looked around and I found, let's see if I can turn my name off. I found this, the Star Trek Communicator style universal garage door opener. Now, as far as I'm concerned, that's a better garage door opener than a standard garage door opener. So let's move this out of the way here. Open it up. You can see it looks a lot like a communicator. Not exactly, you know, the regular communicators. Let's see if I can grab it here. The regular communicators look like this. So, you know, it's of the same style, but on the inside, you don't have the Mourier screen. It just has a screen. Let's see, focus there. There you go. It has sound effects. And then this button over here will open the garage door. If you press that, the nice thing about it is that you can just press on the grid, on the screen grid, and you can open the door that way. So I felt like this was a great way to follow up in my Star Trek fandom and enjoy a new garage door opener at the same time. This product is not new. These were made in, what does that say, 98? Came with a battery, and the battery was still good, surprisingly, even though apparently it was put in the box in 1998. The opener itself has it not only works with the older style garage door openers. If you have a new garage door opener with rolling codes, it's not going to work with that. You have to have one that has dip switches or little settings that you can make yourself. And in this case, it's got a bank of switches here on the inside, and the black row of switches there, you set those to match your existing garage door opener. Now, this is how it looked before I set it up to match my garage, so this won't open my garage. But if you set those settings to match your existing receiver or your other existing remotes, and then on the side there, the blue dip switches are for brands of garage door opener manufacturers. So they've got a different number of settings for the type of garage door that you have. So if you have a Sears or Chamberlain or Stanley or Genie, depending on what you have, you set those switches to match what you have. You set the other switches to match your security code, and it only took about 2 tries. Let's get that on there, right? Only took about 2 tries, and I was able to use this as my garage door opener. Works great, has good range, and I think it's cool. I like Star Trek toys, as you may know if you've watched some of the other videos on the channel. And this is a cool one, and I just wanted to show it to you. Got it for about $20 on Macari, so it's a good place to look for stuff like that. eBay has them too. I haven't seen them quite that cheap on eBay, but your luck may vary. I just wanted to throw that out there for the Star Trek fans. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you're not a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe if you like this kind of thing. We also do DIY and tech videos, really just the kinds of things that interest me or that I wind up doing around the house. That's what this channel is about. So if that interests you, subscribe and check us out. Thanks again for stopping by. Take care. See you next time. Well, hello, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Doug. It has been a while since I've made a video on any cool new Star Trek toys, and you know that's one of the things that I enjoy wasting money on. So in this case, it really wasn't a waste. Well, hello, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Doug. You know, on this channel, we do